Hi guys, today I'm showing you this AXEN 8-piece button waistband extender for denim jeans and trouser pants. So sometimes you just need 1 inch or some um, width of your jeans and you cannot fit, so this will serve the purpose. And you can see this is the metallic spring, so it's a strong and can hold well. You can put this on your regular button and then put this one on the other side of the jeans, and this will hold up. So this will extend your jeans or the trouser for 1 or 2 inches or a little bit more, so that it can accommodate that. So this is emergency use jeans that you can use, and use your favorite jeans that you cannot use because of gaining some weight or something. And these are all the 8 designs are different, and these are all metal. So basically they're all like good quality and good design, so you can use whatever the design you want to.